Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself wondering how to create clean, stylish borders around your designs in Figma, today's tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add and customize borders using both frames and shapes, a skill that can really make your designs pop and help organize your layouts beautifully. Let's dive right in and get started. Alright, first up, let's talk about the two main ways you can add borders in Figma, using frames and using shapes. I'll walk you through both so you'll have the flexibility to choose whichever works best for your particular project. Let's start with frames. So go ahead and select the frame tool from the toolbar. It usually looks like a little rectangle, or you can just hit F on your keyboard as a shortcut. Click and drag anywhere on your canvas to create a new frame. Now with your frame selected, take a look over at the right-hand sidebar. This is called the design panel, and it's where a lot of the magic happens in Figma. You'll see a section called stroke. Now, a stroke is just Figma's word for a border. Check the box or click the little plus icon next to stroke to turn it on. Don't worry if you don't see anything change just yet, because by default the stroke is a pretty thin line, just 1 pixel. Look for the field labeled weight. This is what controls how thick your border appears around the frame. Go ahead and drag it up to make a nice, bold border, or bring it down if you want something more subtle. You can even type a specific number if you're going for a precise look. This adjustment lets you match the border exactly to the style you're imagining, whether you want a delicate outline or a statement border. Take your time here and play with the thickness until it feels right. There's no rush. Seeing those real-time changes makes it easy to experiment. Now let's try adding a border to a shape. The process is pretty similar. Select the shape tool in your toolbar. This might be a rectangle, an ellipse, or a polygon, depending on what you pick. Let's say you draw a simple rectangle. Once your shape is there on the canvas and selected, head back over to that same design panel on the right. Again, find stroke, turn it on just like you did with the frame. You'll see a border appear instantly around your shape. The real fun here is in the details. Just like before, bump up or shrink down the stroke weight to get the border look you want. You're not just limited to black or gray borders. Either you can click the colored square and choose any color you fancy, maybe a vibrant accent or something more muted to fit your theme. This means you could have a bright blue border around a button, or a gently rounded soft border around a card in your UI design. It's all up to your creativity, and that's really it. With just a few clicks, you've added borders that give your design that finishing touch, helping different elements stand out and creating visual structure. Don't worry if it takes a moment to get used to where everything is. After a few tries, it'll start to feel completely natural. I hope this walkthrough helps you feel more confident working with frames, shapes, and borders in Figma. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want to share your own Figma tips, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on more design tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.